In this video, I'm going to do a Q&A session, that is questions and answers session. I have received one question on my website, offshoringconsultant.com. This question is sent by Shweta Sharma. She writes, "Hello Ameya, this is Shweta from Delhi. First of all, thank you for making such informative videos on YouTube. I get a lot of insights from those videos. I have a question for you. I started my business 6 months ago here in Delhi. I spent heavily for office setup and hired employees. Meanwhile, I got an offer from one of the company who gave us a customer support project for 15 employees. I paid them 4 lakh refundable deposit. After a few months, they said we were not meeting quality parameters and they terminated our agreement. We have lost the deposit given and made losses in office rent and employee salary. Now I'm looking for your guidance. I also realized after watching your videos that I did not do any marketing for my business." So Shweta, you're not alone in this journey. There are a lot of startup company founders who have lost the money exactly in the similar way. They were looking for ready clients on Google or Facebook, and they came across few companies who said that we'll give you ready clients, or they gave the process. They took refundable deposits, or they took the money for various purposes, for example, for systems, servers, data, many other things. After 3 4 months, those companies said that you as a service provider or as a BPO company, you were not meeting the quality parameters, and they took the project back, and the money was also not refunded. So many startup companies have lost the money exactly in the same way. I always suggest that you should invest the same money in your own business development, marketing, promotion, brand creation. I'm going to show you actual strategies on my systems, how we do that. Let me show you that now. So here is the most important dashboard. You can see it on my screen. Remember, what gets measured gets improved. So if you're not able to measure the performance of your business development team, how many leads that you have it in your sales funnel, how many actually have shown serious interest, how many have asked for the business proposal, if you don't have any of these numbers, you cannot measure the performance of your business development team. So you must have these numbers in front. These dashboards, these tools, these systems are going to actually help you bring the potential serious client for your company. Now let me show you these numbers. Now this is the actual number of our company's website. If you look at this is how the traffic is coming. 16 to 17% is actually coming from Singapore, US, Canada, Germany, Netherlands, and UK. These are the most important countries who share outsourcing requirements for any businesses. So if you have a really good traffic coming to your website from these countries, and if they're coming to your website and if they're sharing the requirements for the outsourcing services as a customer support, data collection, data processing, accounting, chat support, your business is done. You can immediately start making the revenue. Now let me show you where this traffic is coming from. Let me show you the sources. So this is how the website traffic is coming from. These are the major sources. You can see it on my screen. There are 2000 direct visits where people are actually entering the website URL. Then AdWords is 1.3 thousand, that is 1300. So AdWords is basically when we are running the advertisements on Google or Meta. Then referrals, searches, social media 295, and then Facebook ads and all. One of my favorite strategy that I would recommend you is to run the advertisements, especially on LinkedIn, Google, and Facebook, because you can see this AdWords, which is 1300 AdWords traffic is coming to our website exactly in the same way. If you target particular keywords and particular geography, let's say healthcare companies in California, and if you run the ads on Google, anybody who's searching for healthcare service providers in California, they will directly come to your website. It's still companies do that. I know AI chatbots are coming, and there are many people who directly search on ChatGPT and Perplexity, but Google is still not dead. You can take the advantage of running the advertisements on Google and Facebook. Now this is another metric that you can monitor. The total 4,800 visits to our website. Out of that, 3,800 are the new visits and 1,000 are the returning visits. That means 1,000 people are actually coming back to back. They're again revisiting the website. They're showing interest in our services, products, or they're willing to talk to me. They're willing to share their outsourcing requirements. This is exactly what you need to monitor. Now let me show you the live traffic monitoring. You can directly see on my screen that there is one user who is on our one of the website page for the last 15 seconds, especially during our night hours, or you can say that during US Eastern time zone. You will see a lot of people, coming on our website pages. If you directly click on a particular user, you can even start a proactive chat with that person. You can also see his activity if it's coming from a direct visit or Google AdWords or social media channels. Which pages is he visiting and what is his overall activity? How many times he visited your website, or if he has already interacted with your chatbot. So you can see the whole activity from your live traffic monitoring system. Now on my screen, you can see visitor information. Here you can see people coming from the US, from Italy, from Singapore or Canada. They're sharing their lot of requirements for the outsourcing in terms of customer support, data collection, data processing, accounting, chat support. You must have this type of systems in place. These are the exact tools which will help you to bring the traffic for your company. The actual genuine clients you can expect it by having these systems in place. Now, before having this traffic on your lead magnet, it's extremely important that you have a very presentable website. You must have a very presentable, decent website which will answer all the questions. It should have the videos because many people don't even like to read, they love to watch videos. So, you should have the videos showing your services, unique selling proposition, how you stand out from the market. Make sure that you also have a CTA, that is call to action, because many people don't like to fill up the forms in terms of their names, email address, phone numbers, all that information. But if you have an interactive chatbot and if you can capture all that information and upload it onto your CRM automatically, that system is actually going to be more effective. Apart from the database that you can build organically through the systems which I just showed you, there is one more thing that you can do in case if you have budget. I would suggest you to go to 10times.com. This is one of my most favorite website. You can directly find events, trade shows, conferences, anything that is happening online. For example, the last biggest conference that I had attended, we had booked it from the same website. It gives you an immense opportunity to meet with the decision makers like CEO, owners, or presidents of the companies. Those type of events will actually help you to give exposure to 500 or 1000 decision makers just in one place. Once you meet those potential decision makers in this type of conferences, you can exchange your business card, you can build your rapport, showcase your services, how it will help those companies, maybe to bring down the cost, maybe to make their operations 24 by 7. So you can actually interact with those potential prospects and nurture those leads. Now remember that once you build this database, you must maintain a proper record either in Excel files, or the best solution that I will suggest you to use CRM systems, that is customer relationship management system. So once you have the leads database, make sure that you have a leads database uploaded onto your CRM, or once you have a chatbot set up on your website, it will automatically capture the leads and upload it onto your CRM. Your CRM can do a lot of magic. It can automate your sales process, workflows, email automation, blueprints. It can do a lot of things. You can use the best features from the CRM. Any CRMs you could consider for your business like Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, Zoho, HubSpot, Bitrix24, either of the CRMs will give you the best advantage to automate your entire business development and client acquisition process. So these are some of the most effective tools that we use it. I always recommend that you should get this type of tools and techniques for your business, and you should have at least 2 to 3 months time to start onboarding clients. Remember, patience is the number one strategy to acquire any international clients for your business. If you have any questions related to strategies, tools, and techniques that I actually shared in this video, you can message me on my WhatsApp. My number is +91 9511 841495, or you can even book my free meeting on my website is www.offshoringconsultant.com. Thank you, Shweta, for sharing this question. Wish you all the best.